Welcome to People's Kids from Home. My name is Natalie and this is story time. Today we will be reading The Poky Little Puppy, written by Kristen Depkin and illustrated by Sue DeCiccio. Let's read together. The Poky Little Puppy by Kristen Depkin, illustrated by Sue DeCiccio. 5 little puppies. Dig, dig, dig. Oh, look how cute the little puppies are. Under the fence. Into the meadow. Look at the puppies reaching for a butterfly. That's amazing. That's so pretty. Run, run, run. Down the road. Over the bridge. Across the green grass. Oh, look at that brown puppy. All of his feet are in the air. That's so silly. Up the hill. 2 by 2. See, you have the 2 puppies in front and you have the 2 puppies in back, and they're running up the hill. 1, 2, 3, 4 puppies. Which one's your favorite? I think I like the one in the front with the spot on his eye. He's really cute. Where is that poky little puppy? So it looks like we have 4 puppies here. Is he on this side? See how the puppies are looking over? They're looking for their poky little puppy friend. Oh no, a little snake. Is he on that side? They look on the other side of the meadow. Oh no, a big grasshopper. It's a huge grasshopper. Oh my goodness. There he is. Run, run, run. Roly-poly. See, they're rolling down the hill? Oh, that's so cute. Pell-mell. Guess they're all falling down the hill. Tumble-bumble. What does the poky little puppy see? A big red strawberry. See, look, there's 5 puppies now because they found their other friend. The puppies are hungry. Run, 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 across the green grass. Over the bridge. Up the road. Into the meadow. See, all 5 of them are running through the meadow. Under the fence. Fill up the hole. Home sweet home. Where's that poky little puppy? Thank you for sharing this time with us. Remember, we will be back next week with more stories. See you then.